Let's start with a simple definition. The attractive force which holds any two constituent atoms or ions is called a chemical bond. There are various types of chemical bonds such as ionic, covalent and etc. In ionic, if you, for example, NaCl, it gets splitted into Na plus and Cl minus. These are two oppositely charged ions. So the attraction between two oppositely charged ions is called ionic bond. So the bond in NaCl is ionic. Coming to covalent, if you consider AlCl3, there are three outermost electrons in aluminium and only one outermost electron in chlorine. So the bond is shared between three chlorines and one aluminium. So the bond exists in AlCl3 is covalent. Formal charge. This is the formula of formal charge. Number of valence electrons minus number of lone pair electrons minus number of bonds. For example, if you take ozone here, O3, this is the structure of ozone. Okay, I'll represent this oxygen as first, this as 2 and 3. So formal charge on first oxygen atom is number of valence electrons. Generally the oxygen has 6 valence electrons minus number of lone pair electrons. Here it is 1 lone pair, so 2 electrons. Minus number of bonds 1, 2 and 3. So it's plus 1. And on second oxygen atom, 6 minus 4 lone pair electrons minus 2 bonds, 0. So formal charge on third oxygen atom, 6 minus 6 lone pair electrons minus only 1 bond, it's minus 1. So you can represent like this, oxygen on first one it is plus, second one, third one it is minus and it's 0. So for phosphate ion the structure is PO4 3 minus, it is O minus, O minus and O minus. You can calculate formal charge for phosphorus as well as oxygen atoms. So calculate it and comment down below. Now let's discuss Fazan's rule. He proposed some rules about covalent character. First one is, for a cation, covalent character increases with increase in size of anion. Example, Kf is less than KCl less than KBr less than Ki. So here cation is fixed, but anion is changing. Fluorine's size is less than chlorine and its size is less than bromine and its size is less than iodine. So Kf is less covalent than KCl and it's less covalent than KBr and it's less covalent than Ki according to Fazan's rule. Now second one is, for an anion, covalent character increases with decrease in size of cation. And example is LiF is greater than NaF is greater than Kf. Here anion is fixed but cation is gonna change. Lithium size is more than it's less than sodium and sodium size is less than potassium. So decrease in size of cation increases covalent character. So lithium fluoride is more covalent than sodium fluoride and it's more covalent than potassium fluoride. And third one is, covalent character increases with charge either cation or anion. Here example, SnCl4 and SnCl2. In this compound, tin's oxidation state is plus 4 and this one plus 2. So the charge on tin is plus 4 and charge on tin is plus 2. So covalent character increases with charge. So it has more charge, so it has more covalent nature. Then SnCl4 is greater than SnCl2 in covalency. Next, covalent character is higher for compounds with cations with pseudo inert gas configuration. So what is pseudo inert gas configuration? When the elements having s, p, d, all these orbitals filled, then it has pseudo inert gas configuration. For example, CuCl is more covalent than NaCl because CuCl, here Cu plus, has pseudo inert gas configuration. Whereas Na plus, it doesn't contain d orbital, so it doesn't contain pseudo-net gas configuration. So CuCl is more covalent than NaCl. Now the most important topic of this chapter is geometry of molecules. So if you observe here, the molecules that I have given, these have no lone pairs on central atoms. And there are 5 types of molecules: Ab2, Ab3, 4, 5 and 6. So examples are BeCl2. It has sp hybridization and linear shape. You can see here BeCl2, the bond angle is 180 degrees. Coming to BF3, it has sp2 hybridization and its structure is trigonal planar and bond angle is 120 degrees. Next CH4, it has sp3 hybridization and the shape is tetrahedral. This H is backside of the atom, so it seems like tetrahedral, and the bond angle is 109.5 degrees. And next PCl5, its hybridization is sp3d and trigonal bipyramidal, and the bond angle is 120 degrees between these two, 120 degrees. And next sp3d2 hybridization of SF6. Its shape is octahedral and it's 90 degrees. It doesn't seem like octahedral, but these are all atoms are not in same plane, they are in different planes. So if you arrange the structure, it seems like a distorted octahedral, and its hybridization is sp3d2. And if you want the molecules with lone pairs, I'll give it in the description below, and if you want me to make a separate video on this, just comment down below. Now the hard job is to find hybridization of a molecule or an ion. So I am discussing a simple trick here, and this is the formula. Here G represents group number, M represents number of monovalent atoms, that is fluorine or chlorine, bromine, iodine and hydrogen, etc. And C represents cation and A represents anion. So let's try it. For example, if you take BeCl2, here for central atom group number is 2 plus monovalent atoms are 2. There are 2 chlorines and there is no cation or an anion. So divide by 2. Here 2. So there are 2 orbitals, 1s and 1p. So the hybridization of BeCl2 is sp. Coming to next example, if it's BF3, the group number of boron, the central metal atom, is 3 plus there are 3 monovalent atoms and there is no cation and anion, so by 2 it's 3, and there are 3 orbitals, so sp2, 1 s orbital and 2 p orbitals. So the hybridization of BF3 is sp2. Here you can see a question that sp3d2 hybridization is not displayed by, and if you can see here, it's JEE Mains 2017 question. So let's try one by one. For SF6, the group number is 6 plus sulfur. There are 6 monovalent atoms. By 2 it's 6. So there are 6 orbitals, 1s and sp3d2. In the question they asked not displayed by, so this is not answer. Coming to PF5, the group number of phosphorus is 5 and there are 5 monovalent atoms. By 2, 5, and the hybridization is sp3d. So PF5 can't show sp3d2 hybridization, so this is the answer. And you can see these two also show sp3d2 hybridization, so this is only the answer. And if you want to check the hybridization for an ion, let's take NH4 plus ammonium ion. Here nitrogen's group number is 5 and there are 4 monovalent atoms, 4, and there is a cation here, so minus cation, so minus 1, divide by 2, 4, sp3, 1 s orbital and 3 p orbitals. So the hybridization of NH4 plus is sp3, and it's that easy.